Yo, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to teach you about Block.io World Code. So basically, yeah. What? So basically there are callbacks. So basically when something happens and then when something happens, the code you put inside runs. Okay? So this is just it. Look, this is an example. Function on player join, right? ID is just who joined. ID is basically who joined, okay? Who did it, okay? So basically you can use stuff like this, like you can see anything like something like this. Set health ID, and then you can set it to 10. So then when someone joins, well they're what? So I leave and then I rejoin. Basically, my health would be 16 if I had it, but let's see, I think I should just do this. Yeah. You can see right here. My health is literally 10. So yeah, basically that's how you do it. You can use if you have a send message and then to the ID to do stuff. So yeah, there's a bunch. Tick is basically what happens every tick. And one thing, this is pretty much how you state it. This is another way, but it's sort of complicated, okay? Also, you can look in the Blocks.io API for the callbacks like this. See, tick doesn't need anything, just whatever it does. Look. Right here. Callbacks. See? MS. Yeah, parent MS. And what that does, you cannot do. On close. So when the lobby is shutting down. Yeah. On player join. On player join, player ID from gaming set. There's a bunch of stuff, but you basically don't really need too much. Basically, you just normally just get the player ID for these kind of things. And on player jump is just who jumped. Look. See? Unspawn is when someone tries to spawn. Yeah. Command. So basically just when they type something like slash something. On player chat, so basically the ID, it's the ID and it's whatever they sent, and if it's kind of like global and tribe, there's something like yeah, there's a lot. And you might see some stuff like look, you can say to return look, return false or not to prevent the bot message. So basically it won't be sent. Yeah, like that. And then you can do this much. Look. So basically just look at the info. Return present drop from beacon, prevent a block item from dropping. Basically when they break it, nothing was up. You see? Just like that. So I'm gonna choose a random one. And okay. I'll choose a really good one. Let's see, there's a lot of stuff, okay? So let me choose a classic one, okay? So I'll just classic one should be up here. Okay, and done. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna use player jump, okay? So basically that's how it does. Function. That's how it stated. And this is I just put in ID, so that's what the name will be. Okay, API dot set velocity ID 0, 10, and 0. If you don't know what this is, well, you should look at my previous video and go check out these things. You know, they do tell you a lot. You know, sweet. When someone jumps, see, they get a double jump. That's how most people make logic actually. So yeah, that's how most people make logic. Like if they're holding, like if they hit someone, they just use velocity. Yeah, that's really fun because you know, LOL. So yeah, this is basically the word code edition. I know that yeah, that's pretty much most of it, but let me tell you, there's a lot more stuff. You can still use, well, you know. Then it's just out of world code. It doesn't appear anywhere else. Constant that only appears wherever they're made. So only var can be open. So basically, if you wanted to do it as soon as anybody is in there, well, yeah, that's basically how you do it. You put it in a world code. Yeah. And oh my God, guys, look at Space Hopper. Wait. What is the 10? What does that look like? This is gonna be about so funny. Oh my God! I have to look at this direction for me to do it. But look, if I look the other direction, I won't be able to do it at all. much at all. See, like he can repel backwards. Yeah, it's because you have to use a few functions if you want to make it go wherever you look. Yeah, move. Yeah, you have to use this. Oh, I forgot. Is it this? Yeah. Set camera direction and what's the get one though? Yeah, well, where's the get camera direction? What's this? Wow. But you can set camera. That's gonna be ridiculous. Oh, get player facing info. That's what it is. So basically, it turns to post. Oh my god, there's so much of this. Oh, I also want this. Just want to tell you about some other stuff. Oh, and one more thing. A lot of you might be watching this video to be, trying to know how to make like your own custom game and like save the info for players. Okay, I'll show you. I have this game, okay? I'll just show you. Wait a minute. I'll just go to my place. Save code. Yep, that's my name. Yes, that's basically my lobby. So. Oh my god, I forgot about this pen. I'm going to get pet catches. It's too noisy. God, so. Oh my god, I found it. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff, Get on player. Join. Yep. Now watch. So basically, you can just. Right here, and yeah, watch. This is the code you put in, the war code. I'm just gonna show you. Let's go back to COVID. Yeah, it's COVID, dude. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, jump logic is so annoying. This is how most people do it. Player join, and this is their ID, right? Join. So this is how you do it. Look. So you just copy this code in and put it in. Like you can change this to moonslot2 and you can get the 2, okay? But this one is the item slot, not there. Just how many to put. So you guys this. And then you can do this and then you can use API.get moonslot2, watch. Look. This is moonslot2, right? And then you use moonslot2.money. That's the money. It's gonna get the money. Whatever variable it is, okay? Oh, but just before anyone gets confused, let's do this actually. Custom attributes. The custom attributes dot money. Yeah. Let's just copy this and go. Look, now watch. We better copy this as well. I'm gonna paste this in. Let's go. It's basically just so it doesn't mess with other code. Okay, and now you can use API.log. That's basically the debugger. But yeah, you can do something with it. Watch. Oh my god, you have to use ID. Oh my god. My ID is more people. Excellent. See, I have 100, right? I also said it. All I have to do is just get this. So by the way, I'm gonna try and include all these codes in the description. So watch. Also 1E9 is basically just 1 followed by 9 zeros. It's super good. But I do remember always you can change my and that's a change. And now it's 1E. Yeah. So that's how you make this. Basically, you can also do this. So basically, this is how we normally do it. Watch. You do money. Basically, you do this I guess. Let money equals this, right? Right. That means money equals now how much money you have. And if you want to buy something, you basically do money minus equal the amount of money. 5. You have to make it easy for the road. Oh wow. Oh my god. Monies. Now look. Now we're gonna get less money each time. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show you a video of one of my custom games. It's pretty fun. I like it. What do you keep over? So here. See you saw my video? No one on that video. So yeah. Look, coins, right? See, you have coins. Let's just get down here with using AWP. There's so much. Oh my god, damn it. There's so many maps. I'm getting afraid of code. No, why did I just even do that? This is the buy shop. Let me show you some exclusive code. Look. This is just buy. But if I change this to something like Moonstone item or something, look. Look, price to 10, right? If your coins is bigger than that, so if you can afford it, right? Then you just set it first, and then you give you the item and the amount of the item, and then right, so you bought the amount of steak, cyan, like that. And you basically just set this again, so it shows you that again. So what? You got one steak. See, if you just see, it's literally changing so fast. So you can also come and visit my custom games, be fun. So yeah. Although the map isn't quite finished yet, so yeah. The fountain, I haven't even updated this custom in a while, so the fountain isn't even finished. Yeah. So yeah. There's a lot of stuff like this. And yeah, there's a lot of code here. Oh my god, bro. I'm good at creative, bro. Oh, it is just too close to spawn. Oh my, it is too close to spawn. Finally, let's do one of these. This is basically Alchemist I just given myself. Look at TP. Basically, I selected the range down below. Just watching. Click AWP. So I select this entire grassy area where the players will land. And then I selected how high I want them to be, and then I just randomly made some coordinates and just teleport them there. Say for them. Yeah, for them. Just say brothers take die, bro. So yeah. Wait, what would I select a random height? They're just gonna try something like that. That was just someone added this here, didn't they? Well. Yeah, that's along those loot chests. I'm gonna add a few more loot soon. So yeah, yeah, like this. Okay, now since I haven't been talking about coding much, I'm just gonna show you some of the code. Okay. Hopefully, know if you actually still okay. We'll go. This isn't much stuff. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry if you want to do this. Define leaderboard columns. Basically, like this, right? Okay. This is really useful code for you, by the way. I'm going to include all of these in the thing, okay? Okay, so look. This basically sets it so it actually appears there, right? Typing so lobby leaderboard, okay? And just do name. Wait a minute, I wonder what will happen if I just change it something else. That might be a W fake name command, though. I think they're working on that soon. And you might want to see so many more codes for world code and for code blocks. But I'm gonna make a whole other video on that. And more stuff. So yeah, now you might be confused about how this helps you understand world code, because you probably already knew everything like this. So this is way too long, okay? Sorry, so sorry, okay? Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna actually do something useful now, okay? I'm just gonna make a poison dagger. It will. Basically, you have to use damaging, okay? And the player, and you can usually paste this command into one player damaging mob. Just change the name, okay? Okay, let's just get into the game. Okay, actually, it's relatively a simple process, to be honest. You just go workout and on player this. The player this is the ID who's damage, and then DMG. Yeah, okay, now API dot apply. Well, effect DMG poison. How long? I think 3 seconds. It's just calculate milliseconds. So, and then use inbuilt level 2. Now normally this just we should check what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you about a lot about how to include my code in these things, but that's for the other video with more codes, you know. So yeah, let me just get my O online real quick. Okay, and okay guys, I'm back, and I decided yeah, I'm gonna just get an hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna make it so small. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Look. Now they're gonna be poison flavor. See? They're being damaged. I'm just gonna make it poison bad. We're making it for a player and mob. Just be careful. So yeah. That is awesome. But here's a better way. You can make it have a delay before instantly killing them. Like just, you know, doing this. You don't even need to care about that if you have a 50. Oh my god. You run, and you die. You run, die. You run. They die though, seriously. They really die. It's so funny. But now, what if we just... Okay, what? 4. This can be ridiculous, okay? Off. I dot get mob IDs. I see. We should apply the effect to everyone. Yeah, so will. It's immediately because all the mobs are gonna die. If I did this correct. Only if I did this correct though. I might have gotten it wrong. Oh, wow. Wow, and check the API again. Tell you something. Mob IDs. Get mob IDs. Well, it is the thing though. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I forgot those things. Oh! That was ridiculous, guys. Okay, want to do it? Oh my god. Guys, just do this, watch. Just instantly kill them. ID. Kill life from ID. LOL. Okay, now let's just spawn something. Spawn orbs. We gotta have enough mobs to get the idea. Too many mobs. Too many mobs in the lobby. How is there too many mobs in the lobby, bro? Oh my god, I think I know the thing. Watch, maybe a dot. This should fill the place up. Spawn mob. Right. So, what mob do we spawn again? Oh yeah. Pig. And where? This is another big cool thing. X and Y and Z equal this plus. That's where the code block is, you know? So we take base that into X, Y, and Z because this thing is what they need. So we see X, Y, and Z. I can probably make Y plus equal 1, but well. And go. I forgot we need to. While 1. Let's do it. Is that as many pigs as possible? Yes, that is. Okay, wait. Let me try and get a carrot to see if we can spawn more. Dude, that's actually the max possible. Dude, what? How is that the max possible? Did it decrease the max mob count or something? Okay. Boom! And then it's spawning no more. This is really like clear thing. So yeah, there's a cooldown, so it doesn't cost too much lag. But seriously, bro, what the freaking god? Why does it only allow this much pigs? Wait, how are there cows? Well, that's so stupid. Haha! Now let's see if there's any cows. Yeah, there's no cows. Yes, there is. There's not any cows in sight. Yeah, basically, that's how you do it. If you want to do it. But the best part is you can do this up to a while, and it's gonna be so ridiculously. God, this is gonna last so much this video. Yeah, just lag. Let's see if he is when that's 50, right? You still have a tiny lag spot. That's not honestly nothing. Wait a minute, don't they drop items when they die? Wait a minute, they don't drop items. Let me see. See, oh my god, they just didn't drop items at all. Wow. Well. So yeah, that's pretty much the end. Bye.